Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix Roblox is not opening and always crashing on Windows. Let's begin. So here we are in Roblox, and now the first thing that we are gonna do to fix this problem is that we are going to go into our settings here in our browser. So for example, I'm using Google Chrome, so you wanna go here, click on this one, and from here you wanna go into settings. And now you wanna go into cookies, so type here in the search settings, cookies. And from here, we would be able to see clear browsing data, and you want to click on it. And from here, you want to go clear your browsing history, your cookies, and other site data. This is the most important. And then you want to go into advanced so that you can see more. And from here, you want to make sure that you check as many as you can. So in my case, I'll just be doing this one. You can also do this, or you could just change or check everything right here, and you're gonna click on clear data, and that would make sure that your Roblox right here, when you go into roblox.com, is that you are now fresh in this website, and you might need to log in, and that might fix the error that you cannot open, or the Roblox is always crashing right here. And the next thing that we can do if this didn't solve your problem is that we want to go back right here. So let's go back, and from here we're gonna go into the start menu, and from here we're gonna go and type run, or you can just press the Windows key and the R button on your keyboard, and from here we're gonna go open or type up data and click OK. And from here we're gonna go into local, and now we are going to go into the Roblox folder, so find it right here. So in my case it's here, find it right here and open, and now go into versions, and you want to go with the folder that is the most recent one. In my case it's this one because it's the only one, so click on it, and from here we have the Roblox player beta, and we want to right click on it and go into properties, and you want to go into compatibility, and now we want to enable the disable full screen optimizations and run this program as administrator, and also this one, run this program in compatibility mode 4. So click on it, and from here we're gonna choose Windows 7, and after that we're gonna hit apply and then OK. And then that's it. Then after this one, then you can test it out. If the problem still persists, then we can proceed to the next step. So now let's close this one, and now we're going to go here into the start menu and type run again, or you can just press the Windows key and R button and you will open this same program. And from here we're gonna go type temp percentage, so that we can view the temporary files that is saved by our programs here in our PC. And all of this is safely deletable, so delete everything right here. So delete right there. And now not everything can be deleted, so just for that you can just press and do this for all current items and click on skip, and just like that. And as you can see, I have a lot right here. These are all the saved items that I have, and it's many gigabytes, and that might be the reason for the error that you have been facing in Roblox. So this is a pretty good move right here that you can do to fix it. And now it's done. Let's close this, and then the next thing that we can do is that we want to make sure that our system is updated. So we're gonna go type in Windows Update, or just update right here on the start menu, and from here click check for updates, or you can just go to the settings and then type here update, and you'll be right here. It's just the same. And as you can see right now, I'm up to date right here. So if you have a lot of updates available and it says right here that you need to update, then you should update your computer, because you might be experiencing this problem because your computer is outdated. And now, after you have successfully updated or checked if your computer is updated, then you can see if the problem has been solved. And if not, then we can proceed to the next one, which is to uninstall and reinstall your Roblox. So to uninstall, then you can just go here into the apps and features in the system settings. So you want to go here, and from here you want to go search for Roblox right here, and you want to uninstall all of this right here, uninstall. So once you click here on uninstall, then you can just go into the browser right here, and you will be able to go into roblox.com, and you can install the games again right here when you play any game, because it will require you to install Roblox before playing a game. Or you could just go here in the Microsoft Store, and it's the same. You can also download your Roblox right here and install it, and that way you would have fresh files, and that would mean that there will be a higher chance that you would fix this problem. And that's basically for this video. Thank you for watching.
If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe button so that you won't miss our future updates. Thank you for watching.